Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact with Facebook support team. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on profile picture on the top right. Here you need to scroll down from the top and click on help and support and click on help center. Okay, and here you can see different issues. You simply need to scroll down and click on visit business help center, and here you can see your problem solutions. You simply need to click on learn more, and you can see all the possible solutions that added here. So you simply need to get resolved from here, but if your issue is not resolved, you simply need to click on no. Okay, and here you can see that you simply need to add the about. You simply need to click on other, and here you need to mention to the Facebook team and click on submit, and after that they will get in touch with you and you can see a response in support inbox. Let me show you. Here you can see that this is the message from Facebook support team. Let me show you another message about that. So here you can see, and here you can see that this is also a message from Facebook team. So this is a process by which you can contact with Facebook support team. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.